Hey guys, good morning. It's Sanfi and Daniel.
Hi.
We are on the way to IKEA.
A rocket ship, a bullet train, a camel or an aeroplane, Formula One, a donkey ride, the bendy bus or water slide. All I wanna do today.
Hello, we are arriving IKEA and now we need to go home to get in.
Let's ride. Seas and trees.
Yes, they are. We are going to have lunch.
Going faster, way up high. It's a lovely day for you and me to ride. Hot air balloon, tractor and trailer, water skis or monorail, a ferry boat, a wooden raft, the underground or hovercraft, a penny farthing motorbike, a roller coaster, three-wheel trike, a taxi cab or horse and cart, a lawnmower or cable car. All I wanna do today is ride. Let's ride. Let's ride. Seas and trees go spinning by. Let's zip across the sky. Going faster, way up high. It's a love.
How do you feel?
So comfortable.
Do you want to have a lunch break?
Yes.
Maybe you can take a nap here.
Yeah.
And then after, when you wake up, I'm already at home.
I'll ride with you.
Are you happy?
Yes，终于吃上了。
Great. What is it? This one.
火腿
Sausage.
，sausage 是吧？火腿啊。
火腿肠. And this one.
Pork.
Yes, correct. And that one?
Beef.
Yeah. So clever you are.